Hi, this is Husain with the Husain team at Terra Real Estate Services. Today I want to talk about why owning a home is a powerful financial decision. Today's housing market, there are clear financial benefits of owning a home. Increasing equity, the chance to build your net worth, and of course appreciating home values, just to name a few. If you're a renter, it's never too early to think about how home ownership can propel you towards a stronger future. Here's a dive into 3 often overlooked financial benefits of home ownership and how preparing for them can now steer you into the direction of greater financial security and savings. Number 1, you won't always have a monthly housing payment. Personal finance advisor Dave Ramsey explains, every payment brings you closer to owning the house. When you pay your rent, that's money spent, gone, not returning. But when you pay your mortgage, you work towards full ownership. As a homeowner, you can eventually eliminate the monthly payment you make on your house. That's a huge win and a big factor in how homeownership can drive stability and savings into your life. As soon as you buy a home, your monthly housing costs begin to work for you as forced savings in the form of equity. When you build your equity and grow your net worth, you can continue to reinvest those savings into your future, maybe even buying a bigger house. The possibilities are truly endless. Number 2, homeownership is a tax break. One thing people who have never owned a home don't always think about is the tax advantage of homeownership. The same article explains, you have tax advantages. Many costs of owning a home, like property taxes, are tax deductible. And even if you have a mortgage, you'll get to count the mortgage interest as a deductible when you file your tax return. Whether you're living in your first home or your fifth, it's a huge financial advantage to have some tax relief tied to your interest that you pay each year. It's one thing definitely don't get when you're renting. Be sure to work with a tax professional to get you the best possible benefits on your annual return. Number 3, monthly housing costs are predictable. A third benefit is the fact that your monthly costs start to become more predictable with homeownership, something that just doesn't happen if you're renting. Ramsey also notes, rent rates will go up. Even if you found a killer deal in a hot area, inflation, competition, and rising property values can cause your rent to go up year after year. With a mortgage, you can keep your monthly housing costs relatively steady and predictable. Your monthly costs are more likely based on a fixed mortgage rate, allows you to budget your finances over a long period of time. Rental prices have been increasing since 2012, and with today's mortgage rates, they have great time to get you more money for your purchasing a home. If you want to lock in your monthly rate, a low rate and a solid understanding of what you're going to spend on your mortgage, buying a home may be your best bet. Bottom line, if you're ready to start feeling the benefits of stability and savings and predictability that come from owning a home, let's connect today to determine the buying sooner rather than later is right for you. This is Husain with the Husain team. Thank you and have a wonderful day.